Ember, it's time to step up. No boundaries? I think we found your boundary. Black Series? And Jayco? Well, you can just go home now. That's right, it's time for all the manufacturers to step up and incorporate some of these features into their off-road trailer. Have you seen Dirtbilly Deluxe's latest video? I can't believe what he did with his trailer. Yes, it's kind of hokey and it's kind of ugly, but my God, he made the ultimate off-road RV. I mean, it is a full traditional RV. I mean, it was gutted and it's a little funky on the inside, but this is not a teardrop camping trailer, a little half-size thing with a tent on top. This is a legit RV trailer that he completely gutted and then made into an off-road RV. But what really makes this stand out, what really makes this cool, it makes it a little different, I think, than any RV I've seen. This actually has rear wheel steering on the trailer. That's right, he incorporated what you've seen Matt do on the off-road wrecker, and big rock crawlers will do this, is they'll actually have the back wheels steerable as well. Well, he's actually done it on the trailer. So as he's hitting up these trails in Moab, he's able to take the tightest turns and have that trailer swing around using the steerable trailer on the back. Now, I don't know. I haven't actually done the full research on this. Are there people out there who have wired their trailer to have a steerable axle? Is this the first one? I don't know. If you do know of existing models that actually have a steerable axle, go ahead and put a link in here. Now, I don't know if you know who Dirtbilly Deluxe is, but he and his buddy work for Rory of Trailmator, yet another off-road RV YouTuber. Rory and Trailmator and some of his other vehicles, they all do off-road recovery. These are his guys that work for him. They often accompany him on these off-road recoveries. And then they built their own channel where they do some of these crazy projects like building the off-road trailer. They're in Moab, so it's the perfect place to try all this stuff out. So if you haven't seen the video, I'm going to put a link below. I'm going to save all the best clips for their videos. You can go watch it on their channel. I don't want to steal their thunder, but you'll be amazed at what this trailer has done. There's a few different videos. I'll put a link to a few of them. There's the build videos, and then there's actually a camping trip they just went on. That's where I found out about this. I hadn't been following his channel closely enough. So all of a sudden I see this trailer come across my screen, and I'm like, whoa, I got to share it with you guys. Again, go check out his channel. The link's below. I've just shown a few clips of it here, but you really should check out the full videos on his channel. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. I actually met these guys at the official Matt's Off-Road Record Games, is what it was called the first year, down in Hurricane, Utah. They were hanging out with Rory at his booth. I got to just kind of say hi to them. These guys are as funny in person as they are on the videos. So again, check them out. And again, to Ember, Noble, all you folks out there, Jayco even, forget about Jayco. So the rest of you guys, I want to see, have you ever thought about putting a steerable back axle on the trailer? If I had that functionality, I certainly would take this on roads that I wouldn't otherwise take it on. As far as the hitch, I think they're using a traditional spindle hitch. I know some people talk about putting articulating hitches on these Embers. I've scraped all corners of my Ember trying to take it out to its limits. I haven't needed an articulated hitch yet. But if I had a trailer like this, yeah, it'd probably be more realistic to get an articulated hitch. Check out the video. I've got videos coming out almost every day during the Christmas break. I'm really trying to get to 20,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I want to get to 20,000 subscribers by the end of this year. It's almost there. I'm just pushing 19,000 as I'm making this video. So help me get there, please. Click subscribe. Thanks, everyone. Hope you had a great Christmas, and I wish you all a happy new year.